Ragatha from Amazing Digital Circus. I think episode 2 is out recently. So let's draw Ragatha. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So start with the eye, big white eye. So it's like an oval, like a skinny circle. Center point of my page is here. Come up over to the right. And we'll just start with this tall circle. Right, so it curves around. Right, so that's how long. And then we go over the top. And you want it to be kind of like a mirror. So you want to like a similar sort of curve down here. And then it comes down like so. Then we have a black pupil, long, skinny, color it black. Like so. Her nose is a triangle. Very simple. And her other eye is a button with stitching. So just like curves around here. Goes under her hair a little bit. So you could draw the full circle if you wanted. I think I'll just draw it like this. You could finish that if you wanted, of course. There's another circle on the inside. So the reason I didn't draw that full circle is because her dreadlocks kind of covered a bit on the side, like her hair, doll hair shape. You could see another little bit in there, but I can't really see it in the picture. So then she has like an X sort of marks the spot, like a curvy one. Just here. And then her mouth. So just a big, smiling, open, simple, doll-like mouth. It looks kind of like a boat, you know, without the sail. Well, that could be the sail if you put a line there. It's funny what you notice. There, if you put a line from there to there, it kind of looks like a boat, in my opinion. And then just the shape for her face is just a curved line underneath her mouth, just here. Very basic. Okay. So, probably the hardest thing for Ragatha is those long strands of hair. She's a bit on her fringe. So, we'll do the fringe first. So like kind of coming out here, kind of like fingers. And come around like so. Could see like the side of one under there. She got 4 of them, I think. Oh, and we can see her eyebrows kind of like in underneath, just there, kind of like slanted up, and maybe on this side as well. So then we have the long pieces of hair. Okay, and then down this side, and there's like loads of these, right? And they all kind of go in different directions. They gradually sort of go around, and some like stick up the top, and there's like a bow top as well. So say there's like some like down here, and like one on its own sort of in here. And then they kind of all just come down this way then. So there's like another one behind. And they just keep coming out this way then. You could do this anyway, it doesn't have to be exactly like mine. You know, hair moves and stuff, so don't worry. Once you get the general direction and kind of fall of her hair, it should be all good. And then, so that's the last one on that side, apart from the one that kind of like sticks up real tall over here. So like comes out from, say like here to about there, and then comes around. Seems to go back in under there, and then maybe like another little bump here. And then we'll do the same sort of thing over the side. So like some sort of sticking down here. There's a couple more that stick out here, so like the ends of them are like there, like there, say. Goes right in there. And there's like another little red section in here, there. And then her bow. So it's just like big bow sticking up here. And in the middle of it there. And that's her head, pretty much. You could do sort of texture lines if you wanted on her hair, like a little bit, but you'd have to do it all over. So we just do a little. Just a few of these on each hair strand. And then her neck curves down the side. Her collar then. Curves around her neck. Real, you know, classic doll sort of collar. And she's kind of overlapping, like folding her arms, right? So we can see the side of her body. It's just like this round sort of shape, like that. And then her shoulders come out from just like the top of the collar here. Kind of go down behind her hair, like that. Real puffy sort of shoulder lines. And it comes like around here into there. And it's sort of similar on this side. So then her sleeve is like this frilly sort of thing, goes underneath her arm, which goes out this way. So it's like her elbow sort of comes out from the sleeve there. Right, and this like frilly kind of thing just goes around that way, and it might have like, you know, lines that join to the top. And then we can just see this frilly sort of thing here. And then her arm, her elbow sort of comes out that way. So her arms kind of overlap, and they're very kind of simply sort of drawn. So it goes up. She only has like 2 fingers, I think. So it's kind of like mittens or something. Okay. And then the other one is folded down this way. And then she's a belt or something on her waist. And then her dress goes off that way. And there's like some fold lines and stuff. And then there's patches sewn into her clothing. So like a little patch here. Like just rectangles. One down here. And this one would be wavy because the dress is all wavy. And there's another one just here. And stitching on each one of these. Just to show that it's sewn on. And Ragatha. That's it. Just checking, make sure I didn't forget anything. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.